SuperFit refers to their latch as a safety latch. It is basically a non-event. SuperFit ring depends on your fingers remaining tight together to keep the safety latch down. This is a very risky activity. You can avoid these dangers. Ringlock should be your first choice. On the gentle wiggle stick test, you can observe the first stages of failure on the SuperFit ring. Observe the safety latch backing right out of position, becoming totally useless. At this point, if you're in a theater clapping your hands in excitement, your ring could go flying 3 rows over. This safety presentation is brought to you by Ringlock.com. Ringlock should be your first choice.